Indian Challenger. Aggressive bodywork design with full LED lighting and menacing daytime running lights delivers a signature look that pioneers both style and functionality. Our PowerPlus liquid-cooled engine features a thoroughly modern design and redefines American V-twin performance. Class-leading 128 ft-lbs of torque and 122 horsepower are commanding and exciting rides right from the factory. A chassis-mounted bodywork provides balanced handling and optimum wind protection. Inverted front suspension, lightweight die-cast aluminum frame and hydraulically adjustable forks, rear shock absorbers deliver precise corner-hugging handling. Radially mounted Brembo Race-spec Brembo Brakes provide superior stopping power and performance. Touring Metzeler Cruisetec tires deliver superior traction. With two 50-watt high-output speakers in the hood, you can hear every note of the 100-watt crystal-clear sound, while the dynamic equalizer automatically adjusts for road, wind and engine noise so you never miss a beat. Choose from 3 riding modes, Rain, Standard and Sport, for an experience customized to your riding style. Rear cylinder deactivation automatically shuts off the rear cylinder when the bike is stopped for enhanced comfort in slow-moving traffic. Convenient features include keyless ignition, a 1-button adjustable windshield, locking hard saddlebags, cruise control and a USB charging port. It delivers safety and performance while providing enjoyable rides for every rider. Protect your cargo from the elements with over 18 gallons of weatherproof storage in the locking luggage bags. Take your riding experience to the next level with the 7-inch display with ride command, cruise control, Bluetooth, connectivity and more, ensuring a comfortable and safe ride. Game-changing motorcycles deserve equally innovative parts and accessories. Discover endless performance, comfort and technology options to make the Indian Challenger your own.